Bonjour, bonsoir.
Hey! Taylor, somebody said, j'aime besoin parler anglais. On fait échange, ma bo créole, et puis wabam anglais. She said she really would like to learn how to speak English. How about you guys do an exchange? What are your thoughts?
My daughter says I want to teach her English. So I'm going to teach you how to speak English. Okay?
Okay. So,
Sit down means like sitting down that we're doing now.
okay.
Eat means like that's eating.
Okay.
And if you know, comment down below and then say one of the words that I said and copy it in the video.
Oh, wow. Eh bien, tout le monde, Taylor peut faire cours anglais avec nous.
Lipstick
Mes amis?
and comment. Marker, board, car, bus, airplane, boat, no car, bucket,
Taylor, on allez, okay, say bye.
trees.
Say bye, kisses.